the Cordillera Food Festival. I'd like to show you some of the mountain foods. Come.
Yung oras limit mo.
Okay, at the Jada, okay lang.
Wala. Ay, okay lang, di ba?
Yung dagay mo kasi.
Pantay ka lang ko, ma.
Ano yun? Tungkol mo na. 3, 4.
Nababayadan di duwang at tiyay.
Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.